Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make Sun Wukong in Infinite Craft. We'll start with the very basics. First, take water and earth, combining them to form plant. This is your first step. Then, combine earth with that newly created plant to produce a tree. These two simple combinations are the essential building blocks for our legendary hero, setting the stage for more intricate crafting ahead. It's a fun journey of discovery. Continuing our crafting adventure, let's build upon our tree. Combine earth with your tree to produce a lush forest. Now, for a significant step, take two of your forest elements and merge them together. This powerful combination will generate a vast jungle. The jungle is a very important element, as it's a key ingredient for what comes next in our quest to craft Sun Wukong. Now we're getting closer to our goal. First, combine wind and earth to create dust. With your dust ready, merge it with the jungle you just crafted to form a monkey. This is a pivotal moment. Finally, take wind and combine it with your monkey. This powerful fusion will summon the legendary Monkey King, a crucial step before the final creation. You're almost there. For the grand finale, take your powerful Monkey King and combine it with fire. This ultimate fusion will successfully yield the legendary Sun Wukong, the Monkey King himself. Congratulations, you've mastered the art of crafting this iconic character. Now, have fun exploring countless new combinations with your newly acquired hero and see what other amazing creations you can discover.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.